the last 1.5 years that I have been your MP, I have made an effort to try to meet as many of you as possible, to try to go to different communities, understand what everybody's problems are. And of course, this is an ongoing process. But in the meantime, while I visit everybody and I understand different issues and different problems that all of you face, overwhelmingly, the bigger picture I see is that in the last 10 years of LDF government, your problems have increased. And as your MP, my biggest frustration really is that when I see problems and I come to you, and as your representative, it is my job to try to resolve those problems, I find that I can do it up to a certain point. But beyond a certain point, if there is no cooperation from the state government, no cooperation from the central government, it becomes very, very difficult for us to do our job in the best way possible. One of the biggest examples of this is the Churalmala Mundakai tragedy. I couldn't help noticing that all of us, UDF, LDF, all of us inaugurated the project only a few months back, just before the election. Now, I know that on our part, on the Congress party's part, we were trying for the entire period to secure the land, to get the paperwork done for the land, and at every step, it was difficult. Every step when we needed clearances from the state government, it was difficult to get those clearances. And I'm sure my colleagues in the IUML would have had the same problems. And finally, when the government was ready to inaugurate their township, our permissions came through, and then we were able to inaugurate ours as well.